Today we will show you how to remove and replace the start device on this GE French door refrigerator.
Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time.
Some indications of a faulty start device would be the unit's not cooling properly, the compressor's not running and hot to the touch, and the fan is running constantly. First, we must access the rear of the unit.
Stop. Be sure to always disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage.
To remove the cover, remove all the screws that hold it in place. And then pull up and disengage and set it aside. To remove your start device, we're going to disengage the bracket that holds it in place. And then rock it back and forth to unplug it from the compressor. And then with the needle nose pliers, we can pull the terminal wires off. And then the run capacitor will just unplug from the start device. To install your start device, install the run capacitor onto the start device. Plug in your terminals with the wires. And then you can plug the start device onto the compressor and install the bracket that holds it in place. Now we install the cover. To install the cover, line the tabs up with the bottom of the refrigerator, slide it into place, and then install your 5/16 screws on the sides. There's 1 5/16 on the top right, and then a 1/4 inch on the top left. And that completes the repair. Thanks for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel.